What up, Tube? Welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Today is Sunday, guys. Let's get started on this. You know what tomorrow is?
Every day is snowing. Since I was told that you don't want me, baby, you're just cold and you know I try to hold on to where there's no you.
So I'm right here packing my case for tomorrow. I don't know if you guys have seen this. This is called the Vincent case. I'll show you guys real quick before I lock it all up. Packing up. This is my station for tomorrow at the barber battle. My daughter bought this really nice case for me. It's called the Vincent case. If you guys haven't seen this, it's really nice. This folds down. Packing up my machines. What machines I'm taking with me so far? I'm taking these three. I'm gonna add this one too. Also, I'm going to add that one, but I'm just letting it charge up. This is a little case that comes here with me. What I got in here, guys, I got my Oster blades right here, of course, which I'm still missing my number 3, which is over here. Excuse my station. My station's a mess right now. We just got done working. So we got my number 3, number 2, 1.5, 1A. We got the 1. Make sure I take all the blades. Number 1. I got combs, scissors, thinning shears. I got a brush for styling the hair, clips in case I need them, baby brush for knocking the hair out, some what is this, some oil in case we need oil, gloves, business cards to hand out, and of course not everything fits on here, guys. Only the essentials fit right here. So I got this other case over here. Let me show you guys. This is my other case that I'm taking with me, and this is where I'm taking some of the product, my clips, my blow dryer, my camera. There's a lot that goes into this. A lot. There's a lot that goes into going into a barber battle like this, guys. There's a lot of things you got to take with you. You got to go prepared. You got to get there early. You got to get your models ready. You have to just be prepared. You know, it's like carrying a barbershop to wherever you're going, and then it happens every year. Once I get there, I know I forgot this. Oh, I forgot that. I forgot this. I forgot that. And it turns into a big old headache. And you're racing down to the floor trying to find the things that you're missing. I know last year I forgot a half clip. And oh my God, make sure I don't forget the half clip. Because, you know, I already know I'm going to miss the half clip tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to be right there. Boom, got the half clip. So I put the half clip right here. I got all my blades. I think I got everything, guys. I got 2 good models. This year I'm taking a different approach to the battle. I'm taking younger, better looking models, you know, some good young guys that hopefully you know, that are gonna get me that victory. You know, I'm going for the W, guys. I'm not messing around. I'm going for the W. I'm gonna come extra hard this year. I think I got 2 good haircuts that I'm gonna bring for the fast fade. The 2 competitions I'm competing in is a fast fade and the fade and beard. So it's 2 competitions. The fast fade is 15 minutes, and then the fast fade, the fade and beard is 45 minutes. So I'm gonna give it the best try that I can, and then, you know, see how we do. You know, that's all I can do. You know, you got to give it a try, guys. Yeah, it's nerve-wracking, and you know, you're competing against all your peers, and all your peers are watching you. You know, like it's nerve-wracking, guys. It's nerve-wracking. But I'm taking a different approach this year, and you know, we'll see what happens. You know, it's worth a try. Okay, guys. So here's the lineup I'm going with tomorrow. I'm gonna go with BGR 3. 1919 cordless 5-star, and the Babyliss FX. Go-to machines right there, guys. This is what we're doing tomorrow. The only thing that's corded in this box is going to be my trimmers, and that's because I haven't got into the cordless trimmers yet. All right, guys. Seems like I'm all packed up. I'm ready to head out tomorrow morning. Getting up early. 7 a.m. Earlier than that, I got to be out of the house by 7 a.m. to go pick up my 2 models. My 2 models have final instructions today. Instructions were wear collar shirt, pants, no gel, and just be ready. Bring your phone chargers and ready to hang out. We're gonna hang out all day over there. I don't think it's that bad. I mean, it gets a little too. it could be a little boring. I mean, if you're not, you know, but for us barbers and stuff like that, it's fun. I mean, I like going down to the floor and checking out the floor and seeing what they sell down there, and just looking around and stuff like that. And, you know, so it should be an interesting day. Needless to say, I'm going to take you guys with me so you guys can check it out. If you guys have never been to a barber battle, if you guys never been to a hair show, and you are a barber, come on, guys. What are you guys doing? Like, you know, how are you going to further your education? How are you going to network with other people in our industry? How are you going to know what's going on out there if you're not going out there? Everybody should be out there. You should, if you're in this industry, you should be out there and contributing your part. That's what I do. I go out there. This year is different for me because I have a YouTube channel now. Last year when I went out, it was my first year YouTubing. I had just barely been YouTubing maybe 2 or 3 weeks at the time, or maybe even barely on the first week. So this is definitely already. I have more followers, so it's more interesting. I have cards. I'm going to be handing out cards over there. I'm going to be inviting just networking with everybody out there, just handing out my card and trying to get as many subs as I can. So that's what it's all about, guys. So that's it. I'll see you guys in the morning, and wish me luck. See how I do, man. Hey, guys, you know what? Trust me, guys. Even for somebody like me, this is out of my element. You know, come on. I'm gonna be the oldest cat out there, probably. I doubt if there's anybody who's gonna be battling that's older than I am. So, you know, if I can step out of my element, and you know, you guys gotta step out of your element. You know, you guys gotta try it. Try this. You know, you never know. You'd be surprised who could win in this thing. You know, anybody could win this. Even if I don't win tomorrow, I really don't care. I don't do it just for the okay, I lie. I do it for the trophy and for the money. Just kidding. Not for the money, but for the trophy. I want the trophy more than anything. But, you know, if I don't win, I'm good with it. I'm good with it. I go out there. I do the best that I can. I'm networking with my fellow barbers and, you know, getting some education and looking at the new tools. 2 things I want to buy tomorrow. You guys might not know. I want to get the Octane, Oster Octane, and then I heard. This is what I heard. In case you guys don't know, tomorrow at the IC battle, they're gonna have the new blow dryers, the ones that have the little badass blow dryer, the one that's the circle. I think it's. I'm not even. I can't remember the name of it, but I heard that thing costs $400. And I heard tomorrow at the show they're going to be having it for half price. So if they do have that deal, I'm going to pick that up too, and then I'll be doing a review on that. And guys, I haven't forgot about the gold, about the Babyless Gold FX review. I'm still working on that. I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion. I'm taking it with me to the battle tomorrow, so see how it works out. With that being said, guys, I'll see you guys mañana. I'll see you guys at the battle, and you guys have a blessed night.